Welcome, fellow explorers, to Project Makirraji. In this first episode, we will explore the planet Makirraji and its formation. Our first stop, Makirraji. This celestial marvel orbits around the outer reaches of the habitable zone, revolving around the distant sun, Solarae. Makirraji boasts a fascinating contrast in climate. Its equatorial zones boast mild temperatures, while its polar extremes endure freezing conditions. Life will surely have a hard time taking hold on this icy planet. Continuing our celestial journey, we encounter Aurorium, the solitary moon of Makirraji. Aurorium's irregular shape resembles the rugged contours of an asteroid rather than the smooth curvature of a typical moon. Lacking the gravitational pull necessary to coalesce into a sphere, Aurorium stands as a testament to the dynamic forces at play within the cosmos. Aurorium is accompanied by Makirraji's rings, which are made up of rocks and dust from Makirraji's violent formation. In the beginning, Makirraji was just a pile of gas, rocks, and dust, left over from the formation of Solarae. But as millions of years passed, the rocks clumped together, forming Makirraji. At this time in its history, Makirraji was around the size of Verdantara, but then a smaller celestial object named Nucesto collided with Makirraji. The collision destroyed Nucesto and completely liquefied Makirraji. The resulting debris formed Makirraji's rings and moon. Even though this collision may seem catastrophic, it is actually the reason Makirraji can support life. Before the collision, Makirraji had a very small core that couldn't support a magnetic field. Without this field, the planet would get bombarded by solar radiation, among other things. But Nucesto was rich in metals, which allowed Makirraji to sustain a strong magnetic field. When the collision took place, the denser metals of Nucesto sank to the planet's core. The collision that destroyed Nucesto will allow life on Makirraji to flourish. As we continue our journey on Makirraji, we'll witness the incredible transformations these worlds may undergo in the distant future. From lifeless rocks to thriving ecosystems, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts and suggestions for future episodes. The future of Project Makirraji is vast, and our exploration has only just begun.